Hey guys, now protecting your massive display on your Galaxy S26 Ultra doesn't mean you have to sacrifice on style. And one brand that's been doing a great job recently putting style back into cases has been Torras. And these two Torras Ostand cases prove exactly that. We're putting ultra protective air cushions up against the luxurious vegan leather today. And if you want your phone to always look as good as the vegan leather feels on this thing right here, go ahead and tap that like and subscribe button real fast. You'll find my Torras and Amazon affiliate links for both of these cases down in the description below. And without further ado, let's check out the Torras cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. All right, kicking things off, we have the Torras Ostand Q3 Air. And if you check out Torras' website, this one is going to run you about $65.99, and you'll usually find it hovering around the same price on Amazon as well. I've got the Violet Surge color over here to showcase for you guys, which is basically a really nice deep purple. In the hand, the case feels super solid but surprisingly slim, coming in at just about 2.7 millimeters thin. The back panel has this really smooth texture, almost a soft finish that blends clarity and protection perfectly, giving it that premium matte vibe that I always look for. Looking at the sides, you get a solid, secure grip on both the left and the right sides of the case, so it doesn't feel like that massive screen on your Galaxy S26 Ultra is gonna slip out easily out of your hands. And as for the buttons, I'm a sucker for a good button feel, and nobody does it better than Torras. These buttons are gonna be really tactile, really clicky, not mushy feeling at all, so that's a total win in my book. On top of that, Torras actually gives you two replaceable buttons right inside the box, including one set that perfectly matches the color of the ring, which is a really sweet touch. Moving over to the protection, the screen lip gives you plenty of clearance to lay the phone face down, no issues. Flipping it over, there's a really nice raised halo around that quad camera setup on the back, making sure those lenses stay pristine. But honestly, my absolute favorite part about this design and the real highlight of this case are gonna be those corners. Torras calls it their aerodynamic cushioning system, but honestly, it immediately reminded me of those squishy bubble material thingies that they used to put in our soles of sneakers back in the 90s. It just gives you this massive confidence that if you drop your phone, those corners are going to eat up that impact like there's no tomorrow. Now let's talk about wireless charging. This case is going to be fully MagSafe compatible with the really strong 18 Newton magnetic snap on the back. That means it locks flawlessly onto any Qi 2 or magnetic wireless charger that you throw at it. Now, one major concern that I've noticed online this year because of the camera island design that Samsung went with is the fact that some magnetic accessories don't fit perfectly on cases, especially if you have accessories that you're bringing in from older Ultra phones or maybe an iPhone. And honestly, that's not going to be the case manufacturer's fault. It's Samsung's design around those cameras that's causing the issue this year. But I'm happy to report with the Q3 Air, most of my accessories fit really well, as you guys can see here. My ESR Smart Wallet fits fine here, my bank's power bank fits perfectly fine, and even my ESR 3-in-1 Cryo Boost charger fits perfectly as well. I'll link all of these down at the bottom in case you guys want to check it out for yourselves. But that's a job well done by Torras as far as magnetic accessories fitting around those camera modules on the back is concerned. And of course, since we're already back here, let's talk about that ring on the back as well. It isn't just for magnets, it doubles as a 360-degree rotating kickstand with a 180-degree angle lock. It folds completely flat and flush with the back of the case when you don't need it, but when you do, it perfectly supports the phone in both portrait and landscape modes. Whether you're watching videos or jumping on a quick video call, it's just a brilliantly executed piece of hardware. I'll leave my Amazon link down in the description for you guys to check out for this case. Now let's check out what else did Torras sent us for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Next up, we're shifting gears to something genuinely high-end, the Torras Ostand Q3 Wedge Skin Case. You can pick it up for $54.99 directly from Torras or about $49.99 at the time of this recording on Amazon. If you're heading straight from a corporate meeting to an upscale dinner downtown, this is the case you want wrapping your brand new Galaxy S26 Ultra. It completely elevates the feel of the device, in hand, giving you the vibe of a luxury accessory rather than just a piece of tech. The craftsmanship here is immediately apparent. The back panel features this stunning vegan leather finish, but it's actually engineered from a highly resilient silicone fabric, which actually feels like leather. It gives you that buttery, premium leather texture in the hand while remaining incredibly durable for everyday carry. They even lined the interior with a soft velvet, ensuring that the back of your phone stays absolutely pristine. Now, handling a device with a 6.9-inch display requires total confidence, and the sides of this vegan skin case deliver a phenomenal secure grip. It has these small grooves that run across from top to bottom on both left and the right sides. And for the buttons, Torras absolutely nails that tactile response here with the incredibly crisp and clicky buttons. They do have that metallic feel to them, but they're not going to be textured. And when you need to set your phone down on a marble countertop or a restaurant table, the precision protection has got your back. It features a 1.2mm raised lip guarding the front screen and a 0.8mm edge around the quad camera setup on the back, so your lenses never touch the surface. The wobble of the phone while you have it placed flat on its back is pretty minimum, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will appreciate that. Now, on the tech side of things, the wireless charging integration is going to be flawless here as well. And just like the Q3 Air, my older MagSafe accessories fit perfectly fine, as you guys can see here. It packs an incredibly strong 18 Newton N52 magnet, locking instantly and securely onto your favorite MagSafe or Qi 2 wireless chargers, even the older ones you bring from your iPhone device or an older Ultra device like I mentioned. And nestled right into that magnetic ring is going to be a beautifully machined aluminum kickstand which rotates to a full 360 degrees and snaps completely flush with that vegan leather back when you need to stow it away. Kick it out and it holds the phone dead steady in both portrait and landscape modes. Perfect whether you're scrolling through an article or catching up on a video over a coffee. So that's going to wrap up my look at these two cases from Torras for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Which one are you guys feeling more? The retro 90s style bubble corners on the Q3 Air or the premium vegan leather on this bad boy right here? Drop a comment down below and let me know which one's your favorite. If you're picking up one of these, make sure to use those affiliate links down in the description because it really supports the channel. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one pretty soon. Later.